Here we have Shri Ranjit Gonkar sir. Let's give him a big round of applause. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर के लिए. Thank you so much, respected sir and ma'am. श्रीमती चित्रा समैया जी. Present today. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today. We are very humbled with your presence today.
Respected Dulari ji, wife of martyr Vicky Pahade ji, Veena Pahade ji, Mr. Ranjit Gonkar and his wife Mrs. Bhavna, our most respected Dani ji, Shrimati Chitra Samaiya ji, our dedicated directors, Vikas Samaiya sir and Akash Samaiya sir, respected Swati ma'am and Alka ma'am, our energetic guides, Dr. Aman, Dr. Shresti, Ayush sir and Parv sir. All invited dignitaries, principal of different schools, respected parents, teachers and students. I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you on this momentous occasion of our annual day celebration. Dastani-e-Shaheed, the story of the brave heart. Our 4th annual day is dedicated to Shaheed Vicky Pahade sir, who sacrificed his life on the line of duty on 4th May 2024 at Jammu Kashmir Poonch terrorist attack. We are grateful to the family, members of the martyrs for accepting our request to grace the occasion. हम शहीद विकी पहाड़ी जी के परिवार के सदस्यों के आभारी हैं कि उन्होंने आज इस कार्यक्रम में पधार कर हमें कृतज्ञ किया है. आपकी उपस्थिति के बिना यह कार्यक्रम अधूरा ही रह जाता. आपने यहाँ उपस्थित होकर हमारा हौसला बढ़ाया है. आज का कार्यक्रम शहीद विकी पहाड़ी सर को दिल्ली पब्लिक सेकेंडरी स्कूल खुरई की ओर से एक भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजलि प्रदान करने के लिए समर्पित किया गया है. Today we gather to commemorate the achievements and progress of our students, teachers and the school as a whole. It's a day to rejoice, reflect and rejuvenate. I would like to begin by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, parents and all dignitaries for taking the time to join us today. Your presence really honors us. To our parents, I thank you for your unwavering support and trust in our institution. Our teachers have worked tirelessly to nurture and guide our students. And to our students, I congratulate each and every one of you on your accomplishments, your hard work, your perseverance, enthusiasm. As we celebrate our achievements, let's also acknowledge the challenges we have faced and overcome. We have grown stronger, more resilient and more compassionate. As we move forward, let's continue to strive for excellence, to innovate and to make a positive impact on our community and the world at large. Thank you once again, and let's make this annual celebration day a memorable one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Shaheed.
Thank you so much, dear ma'am, for your inspiring and thoughtful words. Your vision and leadership continues to guide and motivate all of us here at TPSS. एक बार और जोरदार तालियां हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैम के लिए. Thank you, everyone. Now, let us take a moment to applaud the stars of our school. It's time to felicitate the toppers of the year 2023-24. Their achievement is a source of immense pride for our school. I now request our respected principal ma'am to kindly escort our esteemed dignitaries and respected Shrishti ma'am and Parso to kindly grace the stage and honor the top rank holders of the last academic session with trophies and certificates. I request respected Dr. Shrishti ma'am and Parso to kindly come on stage for the felicitation of the students of our top rank holders of 2023-24. भाविका सुखमानी जो कि नर्सरी रोज की स्टूडेंट थी, उन्होंने 98% स्कोर किए हैं एंड हैज सिक्योर्ड फर्स्ट पोजीशन. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे सबसे छोटे बच्चों के लिए, the most junior most students of our school. Next up, from Nursery Lotus, we have Harshita Saini. Nursery Lotus में में 97% स्कोर किए हैं. Next up, from grade UKG, we have जोरदार तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे जो कि प्री प्राइमरी से उन्होंने फर्स्ट रैंक हासिल की है, फर्स्ट प्लेस हासिल की है इन द एकेडमिक सेशन 2023-24. Now, moving towards primary and secondary grades, we have Mahi Dangi from grade 1. Grade 1 से we have Mahi Dangi who scored 89%. Mahi Dangi जिन्होंने grade 1 में 89% स्कोर किए थे, securing her place at first position. Let's give a big round of applause. Parents, dear parents, let me see your energy please. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे बच्चों के लिए. From grade 2 rows, we have Janam Badkul. Janam Badkul scored 96.3%. Janam Badkul has scored 96.3% in grade 2 rows in the last academic session. From grade 2 Lotus, we have Satvik Jain. Satvik Jain जिन्होंने 96% स्कोर किए हैं. तालियां बजाते रहिए पेरेंट्स. पीछे वाले पेरेंट्स. From grade 3, आगे बढ़ते हुए from grade 3 we have Devansh Jain who scored 93%. From grade 3 we have Devansh Jain who scored and secured first position with 93%. Let's give it up for Devansh Jain. एक बार जोरदार तालियां पेरेंट्स. Next from grade 4 we have Astha Rajput. Astha Rajput secured first position in grade 3 in the last academic session 2023-24 and scored 94%. From grade 5 we have Anmol Jain. Anmol Jain has secured the first position with 95%. Anmol Jain ने grade 5 में 95% लाकर फर्स्ट पोजीशन सिक्योर की है. From grade 6 we have Abhya Namdev. Abhya Namdev secured first position in grade 6 and scored 93%. जोरदार तालियां बजाते रहिए पेरेंट्स. From grade 7 we have Siddhi Thakur. From grade 7 we have here Siddhi Thakur with 96%. Siddhi Thakur secured first position in grade 7 with 96%. Moving forward, we have Aditi Verma. Aditi Verma scored 98% in grade 8 in the last academic session, that is 2023-24. From grade 9 we have Radhika Dani. From grade 9 we have here Radhika Dani, who scored 91% in the last academic session 2023-24. Radhika Dani, who scored 91% in grade 9. Last but not the least, Alok Kurmi scored 87% in grade 10 in the last academic session. Alok Kurmi, who scored 87% in the last academic session in grade 10. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे सारे रैंक होल्डर्स के लिए. Dedication towards his work truly gives justice to the phrase "work is worship" and have inspired countless students. The second best teacher, our gracious and childish dancer of the school, जो आप सभी को ही बहुत पसंद होंगे, our dear आकाश यादव sir. आकाश सर हमारे डांस टीचर, हमारे स्कूल के डांस टीचर, हमारे सेकंड बेस्ट टीचर हैं of the school of the session 2024. Known for their unwavering dedication and ability to bring out the best in every child. Thank you. The third and last but not the least best teacher, a mother teacher from pre-primary, Miss Surbhi Yadav. Sorry, my mistake, my bad. Miss Surbhi Pathak is the third best teacher of 2024-25. She is a mother teacher of pre-primary whose loyalty, hard work and passion for teaching are unmatched. Thank you dear teachers for being the guiding light and for your tireless efforts in nurturing our students' dreams. आप सभी ने यह साबित किया है कि एक शिक्षक न केवल शिक्षा देता है बल्कि जीवन को आकार भी देता है. Is Kalam House. Kalam House is the best house of 2024-25. I request respected Ayush sir and Principal ma'am to kindly felicitate the house and house master our dear Mudit sir again of Kalam House. Kalam House is the best house of 2024-25. जिसके house master हैं हमारे Mudit sir and I am the part of that group. Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हमारे मुदित सर के लिए, कलाम हाउस के लिए for respecting Ayush.
So, Chandresh and Vaishnavi, are you ready for the report?
Let's start with Mango Day.
We also pay tribute to community helpers by dressing up as them. We then made colorful clay veggies on Vegetable Carving Day. On 15th of August, we walked on ramp, dressed as freedom fighters. We also enjoyed Grandparents' Day and made it special for our grandparents. My name is Rashmi Ahmed. We then had our cute dolls wedding where we did all the wedding rituals from Haldi to Mehndi to Barat. We also broke Matyaandi Christian mass. We changed our school into DPSS Smart Weekend Vegetable Sellers. We learned many new things on the featured two police station. On Red Day, we dressed up as red and had an amazing picnic in the garden. We became tiny Santas and ate many toffees on Christmas Day. Thank you everyone. Now we would like to call our seniors to give primary section report. Jai Bharat everyone, I am Yashvi
And I am Aryan. We are here to share the highlights of our exciting activities we enjoyed in our school.
हेलो
Let's take a trip down memory lane and
हम तो
relive
दिल्ली
those
वाले
amazing
स्कूल में।
moments.
Starting with
दिल्ली
Canvas
का
Carnival. It was amazing
कार्यक्रम
to
था।
see our friends create beautiful paintings.
Oh yes, in handwriting competition, everyone wrote so neatly. It was a treat to see good handwriting.
Don't forget drawing with coloring water animals, dolphins, fishes, and cute octopus. Well, looking amazing.
We also had an umbrella drawing and coloring activity. Cute children made pretty umbrellas.
We also have a sports fun with hurdle race and three-legged race.
We also enjoyed dance dynamite activity with our parents. Everyone danced with so much joy and energy.
One of the most special moment was Raksha Bandhan celebration.
अरे दिल्ली
The
का स्कूल आते हैं
Rakhi's
एनुअल
and
फंक्शन था आज
sharing
स्कूल में
scenes
वहाँ से
made
चल
the
रहा
day
है
memorable.
Who can forget the amazing field trips? We went to post office,
कथा से आई थी,
Ravidas Park
कथा
and
से
the
आई थी,
Ambedkar Museum
यार
and
स्कूल
learned
में
so
फंक्शन।
many new things.
The patriotic fashion show on Independence Day was another proud moment. Children dressed up as freedom fighters while looking amazing.
अरे तुम
Another
वीडियो
festival
कर लो
we
देख लो
celebrated
वीडियो
was Krishna Janmashtami. Dressing up as little Krishnas and Radhas was the highlight of the event.
Speaking of fun, the races, games and medals on a sports day made it so special.
Diwali festival was celebrated as exciting way. Drawing crackers and decorating diyas were creative and fun activities.
Dental awareness talk was an informative activity. Doctor taught us how to keep our teeth healthy and strong.
Christmas Day celebration was so mesmerizing. Children highlighted the birth of Jesus Christ through a skit.
Apart from these, we would like to mention no book day activities on Wow Wednesday, laboratories, SST lab, computer lab, maths lab and science lab, and better sports facilities, indoor and outdoor games.
Wow, what an eventful time we had.
Yes, every activity taught us something new and gave us memories to cherish forever.
Truly, but the fun doesn't end here. We'll have even more activities from the next session.
We'll have horticulture classes to learn about plants and gardening.
Sanskar classes will help us to learn good values and ethics.
We also start learning our ancient language Sanskrit.
We also enhance our confidence through public speaking classes.
Wow, we can't wait for the next session to learn about plants, to learn about new and exciting activities.
Thank you to our principal ma'am and teachers for organizing wonderful events.
And thank you to all for being such an amazing audience.
Have a great day ahead. Now let's listen about some other exciting activities from our seniors.
including the zip line, splash pool, rope climbing, dance, music, and public performances.
Oh wow, Didi! It was amazing! Now it is my time to speak about another activity where participants showcase their skills of canvas painting. These activities have provided students with opportunities to foster self-confidence, personal growth, and teamwork.
Nice shift. Now let me share with you all the most disciplinary event, that is our school general elections.
Hey Didi, why these elections are held in the school?
Dear Shiv, these elections are typically held for positions such as Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, House Captains and Vice Captains. The goal is to promote students' involvement in school governance and provide a platform for students to voice their opinion and contribute to decisions that affect their school experience.
Moving to the next segment, that is the celebration of International Yoga Day. Students and teachers perform yoga together to promote fit and healthy lifestyle. Then followed by a joyful ride, that is our school field trip. Students have visited an archaeological site in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Aran. It is an historic site known for its historical inscription, particularly from the Gupta period. Students also visited the civil code, which has left a lasting impression on all of us as we walk through the halls of justice. We were given a rare glimpse into the inner working of the legal system.
Nice. I must say it was a great time. Well, now I would like to share about our educational tour. Students have also been to Shimla recently. The city, known for its snowfall, scenic beauty and adventurous activities like camping, trekking, paragliding, rope climbing, rappelling and bonfire. Students and teachers shared memorable moments throughout this journey.
Hello.
Now, moving to the next segment, that is three wonderful and engaging competitions that are spell bee, science quiz and poster making. These competitions are all about curiosity, knowledge of the world around us.
Next segment in the list is the cycle rally, and the motto was Beti Bachao, Rashtra Bachao. Empowering a daughter is not just an investment in her future, but in the future of the entire nation. Well, moving to the next thing, that is our Independence Day celebration. We have celebrated our 78th Independence Day with the feelings of love, sacrifice, drama and patriotism. Our four houses, Ambedkar, Gandhi, Kalam and Tagore, conducted various special skits to show how far we have come as a country.
These were totally outstanding events. Now, I will tell you about the awareness talk on the topic of cybercrime. It refers to illegal activities carried out by anonymous people. It refers to hacking, identify thieves, data breaches and much more.
Now, I am delighted to share about Raksha Bandhan celebration. This occasion, which literally means the bond of protection, which is traditionally observed by tying a sacred thread or rakhi around the wrist of the brother in return of love, care and togetherness.
Now, I will speak about an inspirational yet dedicated event, our Teachers' Day celebration. This occasion was totally dedicated to our teachers and mentors in our lives.
Yes, definitely. Well, moving ahead throughout the year, our four houses, Ambedkar, Gandhi, Kalam and Tagore, conducted various special assemblies on their respective themes.
Now, moving to the next segment, that is the celebration of Diwali. We celebrated it by performing Ram Leela on stage and love and warmth with the friends, teachers and family.
Next segment in the list is the Bal Mela. This kids fair organized by the hearts of DPSS, where students gather together with some tasty food, fun activities and the bond of sharing and caring.
Now, I will speak about the much celebrated event, Khel Mahotsav 2024. The day was a true reflection of our school spirit, where we celebrated not only athletic abilities, but also teamwork, determination and sportsmanship. The day was the celebration of perseverance, discipline and resilience.
Now it's time to talk about Christmas celebration. It is a great time of the year. Santa Claus came to share gifts and chocolates with love and warmth.
Now, looking forward to the new activities added to our next academic year, that are horticulture, artificial intelligence, robotics and sanskar. They will help us to learn and explore more about the world.
Now it's time to talk about the most anticipated event, that is our annual function. As you all know, today we are gathered here to celebrate our annual function with the theme of Daastyan Shahid. So brace yourself and get ready to witness various amazing performances of the night. Thank you everyone for having us and being a lovely audience.
Enjoy our function and have a great time. Thank you.
Thank you, dear mates, for the enlightening report.
Let's give a big round of applause for our respected member of management.
Good evening, esteemed guests, respected faculty members, dear parents, and my beloved students. It is with immense pride and deep gratitude that I welcome you all to our school achievements, but to pay tribute to a true hero, a Shaheed Air Force officer, Vicky Pahade sir, whose bravery, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to a nation inspires us all. Heroes are not born. They are made through courage, determination and unyielding love for the country. The officer we honor today lived by these values, dedicating his life to protecting our skies and ensuring we as a nation could live in peace and freedom. His sacrifice is a reminder that privilege of freedom comes at the greatest cost, one that our brave soldiers willingly bear for us. प्रिय अतिथियों, शिक्षकगण, अभिभावकों और मेरे प्रिय छात्रों, आज का दिन केवल उत्सव नहीं, एक महान शहीद वायुसेना अधिकारी को श्रद्धांजलि देने का भी है। वह वीर योद्धा जिसने अपने जीवन की आहुति देकर देश की रक्षा की, आज हमारे लिए प्रण लेते हैं कि हम अपने कर्तव्यों को पूर्ण निष्ठा से निभाएंगे और समर्पण के साथ निभाएंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful words. Let's again give a big round of applause for our dear Dr. Aman Samaiya, sir. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Thank you so much, sir. Now, it's time to set the stage on fire with a beautiful performance that will surely captivate all of us. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy as we present the welcome dance, a performance full of energy, grace, and warmth, marking the beginning of a joyous celebration.
जब जब शमशीरे ताने है माहे भवानी, आंधियां उठे शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे, हमने बात यही मन में ठानी है माया भवानी। अब सब मर्द मावड़े बड़े खुददार है, अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है। अब ये शीश नाज के तेरी लाज हम देखे, तेरे डर लगी शपथ मां जगदम्बे है माया भवानी। कभी ना राह से हटे हमने, बात यही मन में डाली है माय भवानी। सनन आधिया उठे शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे हमने, जब जब शमशीरें तानी है माय भवानी। हम सब मर्द मावड़े बड़े खुददार है, अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है। अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी लाज हम रखे, तेरे चरणों की शपथ माँ जगदम्बे है माय भवानी।
स्वर्गीय दीमक चंद पहाड़े और श्रीमती दुलारी पहाड़ी जी के सुपुत्र शहीद विकी पहाड़े, जिनका जन्म 1 मई 1990 में छिंदवाड़ा जिले में हुआ। विकी पहाड़े अपने माता पिता के इकलौते बेटे व 3 बहनों के इकलौते भाई थे। बचपन से ही उनके पिता का सपना था कि वे चारों बच्चों को पढ़ा लिखा कर नौकरी कराएं एवं अच्छा इंसान बनाएं। प्रारंभिक शिक्षा के बाद उनका चयन जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय में हुआ। 2007 में एक सड़क दुर्घटना में पिताजी के गुजर जाने के बाद उनका जीवन उतार चढ़ाव से भर गया था, जिसमें मेहनत मजदूरी कर भाई बहनों ने पढ़ाई पूरी करी। विकी अपने परिवार को लेकर बहुत जिम्मेदार थे। वर्ष 2011 में पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज में पढ़ने के दौरान छिंदवाड़ा में ओपन एयर फोर्स के वाई कैटेगरी में उनका चयन हुआ। वर्ष 2011 में पहली पोस्टिंग उधमपुर में हुई व उसके बाद मुंबई और चेन्नई के एयरबेस में। इसके बाद वर्ष 2018 में विकी पहाड़ी जी का विवाह रीना पहाड़ी जी से हुआ और 2019 में उनके पुत्र हार्दिक पहाड़ी का जन्म हुआ। 16 अक्टूबर 2023 को कॉर्पोरल के पद पर जम्मू और कश्मीर के पुंछ में वे पदस्थ हुए। मार्च 2024 में होली के समय छुट्टियों में वे घर आए और अगली बार बेटे हार्दिक के जन्मदिन पर वापस आने का वादा कर गए, किंतु भविष्य किसने देखा था। दिनांक 4 मई 2024 को अपने साथियों के साथ राशन लेकर पुंछ से लौटते समय आतंकवादियों से मुठभेड़ के दौरान अपने 4 साथियों को बचाते समय अपने कर्तव्य स्थल पर वे शहीद हो गए। हमारे वीरों की शहादत को मैं कुछ पंक्तियों से व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ। ना शौक है मुझको धन चाहिए, ना शौहरत ना मुझको धन चाहिए, हर जन्म में भारत वतन चाहिए। जब तक रगों में लहू है लड़ता रहूँगा, बाद मरने के तिरंगा कफन चाहिए, बाद मरने के तिरंगा कफन चाहिए। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हमारे शहीद विकी पहाड़ी जी के लिए, जिनको हमारा शत-शत नमन। तो आइए अब देखते हैं अमर शहीद विकी पहाड़ी जी की जीवन गाथा हमारे सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम के जरिए। Without further delay, let's dive into the heart of the program as we begin with powerful drama that will showcase the essence of their struggles and sacrifices, followed by soul-stirring dance performances that will bring their story to life in a way that touches your heart. ये प्रदर्शन आपको दुख से लेकर गर्व तक की भावनाओं से रूबरू कराएंगे और हम आशा करते हैं कि यह आपको प्रेरित करेगा कि हमारे सैनिकों द्वारा किए गए बलिदानों के प्रति सम्मान से भर देगा। Let the दास्तान-ए-शहीद begin as we honor the legacy through drama and dance. जोरदार तालियों के साथ हम अपना प्रोग्राम शुरू करते हुए let's give a big round of applause for all of us for being here and for the performances. जोरदार तालियां।
2025 शहीद
शहीदों की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले। वतन पर मरने वालों का यही बाकी निशान होगा। जो अपनी जान की परवाह न करे, उनकी बहादुरी को हमेशा याद रखा जाता है। जो अपने देश के लिए शहीद हो जाए, उन्हें शहीद विकी पहाड़ी कहा जाता है।
खुशनसीब है वो जो अपने देश के लिए अपना लहू बहाकर अमर हो जाते हैं। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उस जाबाज सपूत की जो अपना लाल लहू अर्पण कर देश की रक्षा में कुर्बान हो गए, परंतु अपनी शहादत से सबको यह सबक दे गए कि देश और देश की रक्षा सर्वोपरि है।
Corporal Vicky Pahari hailed from Nonia Karbal village of Chhindwara district in Madhya Pradesh and was born on 1st September 1990. Son of late Shri Dhimak Chand Pahade and Srimati Dulari Pahade. Corporal Vicky Pahade had 3 sisters as his siblings. He lost his father when he was quite young, and as a result, the responsibility of the entire family fell on his shoulders. He grew up to be a responsible young man and worked hard to get selected into Indian Air Force. He joined Indian Air Force in 2011, just 1 year after completing his 12th class at Navodaya Vidyalaya, Singhodi in Amarwara Tehsil of Chhindwara district in Madhya Pradesh.
He got trained as a technical tradesman in Indian Air Force and worked on the maintenance of various Air Force assets including radars. After serving for a few years, he got married to Miss Reena and the couple was blessed with a son Hardik in 2019.
By 2024, he had served in various Air Force bases and promoted to the rank of corporal.
चले हम फिदा जानतन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानतन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
नम है हर जुबां खामोश, हर दिल में एक बहादुर के चले जाने का गम है।
आपके बिना मेरा जीवन सूना और अधूरा हो गया है। कहाँ गए आप? मैंने जन्मों जन्मांतर तक साथ रहने की कसम खाई थी। कहाँ गए आप? आप नहीं तो सब खत्म, मेरा जीवन बेकार। हमारा बच्चा जो इतना छोटा है, मैं अकेले उसको कैसे पालूंगी? आपके आने की आस में मैं एक एक पल देख रही थी, पर आप ऐसे आओगे सोचा ना था।
मेरा बेटा, मेरा प्राणों से प्यारा बेटा अमर हो गया। मेरा विक्की अमर हो गया, मेरा विक्की अमर हो गया।
इस दिल पे लगा के
कौन सके जहाँ तुम चले गए।
चले गए, यकीन ही नहीं होता। ऐसा लगता है जैसे कल ही हमारी शादी हुई थी। मुझे आज भी याद है वो विदाई की घड़ी जब मैं अपने मायके को छोड़कर आपके साथ आई थी।
चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे। बाबा मैं तेरी मलका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे। मुड़ के ना देखो दिल भरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिल भरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिल भरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिल भरो। फसलें जो काटी जाए उगती नहीं, बेटियां जो ब्याही जाए मुड़ती नहीं। फसलें जो काटी जाए उगती नहीं, बेटियां जो ब्याही जाए मुड़ती नहीं है। ऐसी विदाई हो तो, लंबी जुदाई हो तो, दहलीज दर्द की भी पार करा दे। बाबा मैं तेरी मलका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे।
मेरे दिल बरो बरसे गलेगी फिर से, मेरे दिल बरो फसलें पकेगी फिर से, तेरे पाँव के तले मेरी दुआ चले, दुआ मेरी चले।
बाबा मैं तेरी मलका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे। मुड़ के ना देखो दिल भरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिल भरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिल भरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिल भरो।
माँ और बहन विक्की की शादी के बारे में बात करते हुए, माँ भैया की शादी में कितना मजा आया। आज शाम को संगीत और मनोरंजन तो होना ही चाहिए।
हाँ बेटा, क्यों नहीं। जीना पे ज्यादा पकड़ गई सोना काई लगाए पकड़ गो सोना काई लगाए जबड़ी पकड़ गई सोना काई लगाए मागता बहुत ज्यादा बिजली की खाओ तो मत से घर में से गिरे मत करे जीना पे ज्यादा पकड़ गई सोना काई लगाए पकड़ गो सोना काई लगाए जबड़ी पकड़ गई सोना काई लगाए आज दिल सोने को मारा आज दिल सोने को मारा आज दिल सोने को मारा जन मिली और गुड़िया मद में बाजे बजैया जन मिली और गुड़िया मद में बाजे बजैया होना गई मीरा में गुड़िया होना में कृष्ण कन्हैया मद में बाजे बजैया नैना बांध लागे कइयो चोली बांध लागे कइयो नैना बांध लागे कइयो सागर को पानी अड़ाई मटका सागर को पानी अड़ाई मटका ये समधी मेरे सोवे लड़का नैना बांध लागे कइयो चोली बांध लागे कइयो बाबा जो रे बाबा जो की बाजू रे होगी ओए बाजू रे बाबा जो की बाजू रे होगी ओए बाजू नैना बांध लागे कइयो चोली बांध लागे की तोरी मनक बदरिया जेरी की गोदों से प्यार तेरी की तोरी मनक बदरिया जेरी की गोदों से प्यार तेरी नैना बांध लागे कइयो चोली बांध लागे कइयो नैना बांध लागे कइयो चोली बांध लागे कइयो हारी रे मैं तो हारी रे राधा कन्हैया से हारी रे मैं तो हारी रे राधा कन्हैया से हारी दूरी धरा से कैसे निकर आई दूरी धरा से कैसे निकर आई मैं काजल नैना लड़ा रही और काजल नैना बांध लागे कइयो चोली बांध लागे कइयो आलू रे आलू बड़े आलू रे आलू बड़े आलू तेरे आलू के मोड़ा बड़े आलू नैना बांध लागे कइयो चोली बांध लागे कइयो गेहूं कटक में ले आओ बाजू जल्दी चले जाओ बाजार को नैना बांध लागे कइयो
पुत्र की कामयाबी